Raquel, the primary librarian, and I'm back today with a little mini haul from PlannerKate and wanted to show you some of the goodies that I received. I want to thank everyone for being here with me today. I really appreciate it. If you're new, hit the like and subscribe button, and if you're a subscriber, thank you guys so much. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. I did open the box just to make sure everything was in there. And I do want to say right off the top that this is new. This is beautifully new. The tissue paper, well, it's new to me. It may not be new to some, but it's new to me. I did get a bunch of stickers, so we're going to look at those in a second. First thing I wanted to show you was this adorable little folder that Kate has put out that has that will hold your kits and your stickers that you get from PlannerKate. This one is the 1/2 inch size, so I have some of the 1 inch size. I have those in another video. This one is the 1/2 inch side, and inside are just sleeves here that you can put your stickers into. As you can see, they'll slide right in there. And if you want to see these in action, again, I have another video that shows those. But let's go ahead and get into what we got here. Okay, so I'm gonna put this over here. I did get a kit. I'm going to put that to the side because we'll do that last. With every order from PlannerKate, you do get 5, kind of messed these up. You do get 5 sample sheets, and the sample sheets are just like samples of whole sheets that you could get if you'd like. And then you get one of these that you could also put this on, or put it on the back or something like that, but she's been giving those out as well. So these are the sample sheets. I'll put over there. And then this, I noticed this is her new card. It is so pretty. It is embossed. It is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And it also comes with the 20% off your next order, and it's got the coupon code right there. So if you need the coupon code, there you go. So we'll leave that right there. And then let's go ahead and get into the stickers. So I did get this. I wanted to start and see about putting stickers on my folders here that are holding all of all of my kits. So I did get just the stickers that say kits, and it's you can separate it into kits volume 1, volume 2, volume 3. I'm up to volume 3. Why I needed to have another one. And I think the way that I'm separating them is just that I want to have one that's with me all the time with like the current stickers of what I'm using in with me. And these are, again, these are just labels that go on them. I'll put those there. Let's put them face down when we're done. And I got these doodle girls, and the doodle girls are adorable. I absolutely love that they now come in colors and skin colors, and I really do love that. It's always nice to see some resemblance of you in these little stickers, and they're beautiful. And I want to thank PlannerKate for this. It's absolutely wonderful. Thank you. My granddaughter, I also have ordered some of these for my granddaughter, who absolutely loves stickers. So I've ordered some for her as well. These are PK-1H. These were PK24. I'm trying to remember to say the order numbers there. Okay, so that was that. And then I got some quote stickers. I got 2 things of quote stickers. This one says, introvert, social distancing, professional. I think that's me. I really do. This one here says, even the darkest night will end and the sun will rise, which I love this. I just think it's really pretty, and I think I'd like to have a spot in one of my planners that is just like gratitude, and I think this is really, really nice. Really nice. So I did not say what which ones these were. Okay, so this one with the social distancing is QT16, and this one with the darkest night is QT18, just in case you want to order them. And then I have these three right here are for my daily planner. And what I wanted for the daily planner was something where I could have a big box, but then also have the lines in it. I know we have the big boxes, but they don't have lines in them. And I really like to have the lines in them. So I ordered these two in the blues, and in the reds and pinks. And the reds and pinks are S1238. And then the blues are S1236. Okay. So let's put those down. And then this one here, this one I think is an hour block on the daily. So I wanted those S1246. And you can see all of these in use on my Instagram page. I am the primary librarian. I keep saying in my head whether or not I should kind of change my name, but I haven't changed it in such a long time, so I don't know. I really don't know. Maybe to be something a little bit more, has something to do more with planning than it does with work. So anyway, I digress. Okay, so I also got these stickers that are mask, and I got these because I do have stickers that say wash mask, washer mask. This is S1264. And they come in all different colors. You can see the colors there. Love. Then I have, oh, you know what? Maybe if I put these this way. Let's just put them this way. And then I have the planner books, and these are all different colors. They're not like how in one row is one color, one row is another color. So I'm just gonna show you that. Hopefully you can see that. And these are S1268. And the little planners, they have a little note there, a little paper clip. Super cute. And then I also got these. I did get these before, but I needed some more because I use them so often. And these are just little little pieces of note paper with a little clip. I keep saying clip. It's like a push pin. I love it. And then these I also got for my daily. I'm trying to work out my daily. And these are just check boxes for them. So this check box, let's just pull this one up. See how long they are? So this has a lot of space for you to make different things that you might want to check off. And then this is the last one. It is, I just got some stickers for church. I do have these stickers that say church on one side and then at, but lately in my other planner, and I'm also running out of those, in my other planner, I have just been putting church and then what day or what time. So I needed some more of those. So let's go into the kit. And I got this kit, which is the back to school. And let me show you the washi, because that's what I fell in love with, was this washi. And this is kit 244C, which is right here. Whoops, 244C. And it has on it eyeglasses and a highlighter, a planner, cute little planner, a washi tape, pink washi tape. This would be my ideal washi tape if I had to get it all the time. Would be like just pink. I absolutely love pink. So we'll turn that over. And then this is washi that accompanies it and the add-ons. And that is kit 244P. It's a little washi. And the little washis can be found in the same spot where these, the date covers. And so I have one date cover, this one, which is for my weekly spread, and then this one is for the daily duo, so that I have a day for each page, just like that. And then I think I don't know if I showed these or not, but these are just decorative boxes that go along with that kit. And there's also, within the kit, there's also decorative boxes here, and there's some bigger boxes there, some flags, pink flags, that washi again. There's the weekend, and I love these. I'm trying to use these more, the asterisks more, and I love that font. Absolutely love this font. She doesn't have stickers in like this exact font yet. I don't know if she will, I should ask, but I absolutely love those. So anyway, that's my little haul, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Again, if you want to order from NEW-PlannerKate and get 20% off, she has her little code off right there if you need it. And I want to thank you for joining me in my quick and short little video. I will be coming back with more. Thank you again, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.